serve you unconditionally. So, you take us home.
And to Mom, this is to you.
Huh?
This is to you.
Oh, it is. Oh.
When I first saw you, I said, oh my, I said, oh my, that's a dream, that's my dream. I need a dream when it all seemed to go bad. Then I found you, and I have had the most beautiful dreams any man's ever had. When I first saw you, I said, oh my, I said, oh my, that's a dream, that's a dream. I needed a dream to make me strong. You were the only reason I had to go on. You are my dream, all the things I never knew. Who would believe they could ever come true? And who would believe that I would believe in my dreams too? When I first saw you, I said, oh my, that's my dream. There's your trait.